continuation here. Cameras here. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the...
Not to mess you up here, but did you grab the wrong book? Because that says for escape.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
And it is a Mustang.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get the right...
Yeah, let's get the right book.
Let's get the right book. Right now is capacity of the cooling system. As the wife pointed out, I grabbed the escape. Oh, geez. Okay. Let's see. Kevin. That's the newer Mustang. I need the older Mustang. There we go. All right. We got the right one now. 94 to 2003. So let's see what the cooling system holds, and then measure out the... Make sure you shake the bottle. What the main thing here is. So go ahead and do that.
You help Daddy?
He could if he would.
He's gonna help you.
He would if he could.
He's gonna help you. He's right next to you. I'll help you.
Capacity on cooling system. V6 model, 11.8 quarts. Let's see what we got here. There with the little rebate on that thing, it saved me $18, and then there's another 10 on it. So I paid $44 minus 19. Let's see. What we got here? Vehicle is a good. Your vehicle is a good candidate for this solution if it can idle for at least 15 minutes without overheating or having to add coolant, which it is. Used with all types of coolant, including yellow, orange, pink, red, blue, green silicon based, non-silicon based, antifreeze, or just water. Unlike other products, no draining or thermostat removal is required. Works with all gasoline and diesel engines. Also is the best coolant additive to use in all racing applications. High strength carbon fiber works like rebar in concrete to stop larger leaks and creates a truly permanent seal. Warning: head gasket seal, blown head gasket repair is designed to stop cooling system leaks. Do not add to your oil. If at any time engine overheats, turn the vehicle off and allow engine to cool. Danger: opening the coolant system while engine is hot or running may cause severe burns. I know that. Note: cooling systems that are dirty or partially clogged should be flushed before usage. As far as I know, this is good. One bottle treats cooling systems up to 2 gallons equals 10 quarts. Up to 5 gallons, 20 quarts. So use half a bottle for systems from half a gallon or 1.5 gallons, which is equal to 6 quarts, to 2.49 gallons, which is 9 quarts. So we will be pouring half of this bottle in there because she is 11 quarts. Wait a minute. What did I say? Did I say 11.5 quarts? I did, didn't I?
You did. I think so.
Okay, so we're going to be using one bottle. 2 quarts, which is 10 quarts, to 5 gallons, which is 20 quarts. So we're going to be using the whole Sorry, I was on that button. Cooling system V6 is 11.8 quarts. So we're gonna add one bottle, which is good for 2.5 gallons, which is 11 quarts, to 5 gallons, which is 20 quarts. Half bottle is good for 1.5 gallons, which is 6 quarts, to 2.49 gallons, which is 9.9 quarts, which is just under, just over it. So we're going to use a whole bottle on this, which will be a good excess. And you'll leave it in there, of course. Alright, install only in a cold engine, which it is. Shake bottle well. Remove radiator cap. Pour correct amount of product per dosage chart. Fill radiator and reservoir overflow tank to proper levels and reinstall radiator cap. Tip, radiator cap may be on top of the radiator, if you're going to find it, mounted on the hose or screw cap to pressurize reservoir overflow tank. Turn heater on and fan on high. Run engine until the thermostat opens or normal operating temperature is reached. Turn the vehicle off and allow engine to cool. It may take 30 minutes or longer. Well, we're talking at least 75 degrees out right now, dear.
Hold up.
Top off radiator, add coolant as needed, and either run engine at high idle, approximately 1200 RPMs for vehicle with a tachometer, or gently drive the vehicle for 15 minutes. Turn engine off and allow engine to cool. Top off radiator and leave bar leak, head blown gasket repair in the system for continuous protection. Drive vehicle as normal. Most leaks seal instantly, but some can take an additional thermostat cycle, which happens over a few days usage. So there we go.
It's 74.
Okay, we're 74. Okay, reinforced with 5 in carbon. Twice the performance of other head gasket brands. Liquid ceramic. Liquid penetrates large and small leaks to form a seal, actually harder than the original head gasket. 2-in-1 formula. Reinforced fibers, non-clogging fiber, additive locks together with liquid to increase strength and promote a permanent seal. Head gasket, blown head gasket repair contains armid, refractor, and carbon fibers, giving the strength of a bullet-proof vest and heat resistance of a fireproof clothing. This product is professional strength. Sealant penetrates leaking, blown or damaged head gasket areas, drying to form a seal actually stronger than the original head gasket itself. Strongest formula to stop all other coolant leaks in plastic, cast iron, copper, and aluminum radiators. Heater cores, freeze plugs, gaskets, intake manifolds, cylinder heads, and engine blocks. It also contains extreme cool, which stops overheating and reduces water temperature. Really, I wonder if you want to put that in any of your cooling system, any of your engine, whether you have a blown head gasket or not. Let's see, stop leak test results. Gum and gel, before and after, no and no. Particles, before and after, no and no. Screen, at 0.030 inches. Fluid loss, 0. Final round, 0.25 inches. Final slot, 0.15 inches, and final loss 0. Results of this test shows that a .025 round hole and a .015 wide slot can quickly and successfully be sealed with bars, leak, head seal, blown gasket repair. There you go. Lifetime warranty. Bars Leak warrants this product and in effect seals head gasket leak with a single application of head seal. If the head gasket seal reoccurs after production or occurs during the time you own your vehicle, Bars Leak will refund the purchase price of the product or send a replacement product. To make claim under this warranty, send your full contact information, including mailing address, in accordance with the following options. One-time product replacement, send original dates, sales receipts, and original UCP. Showing the purchase of the requested product replacement or refund or purchase product. Send a written date verification from a licensed repair facility confirming the diagnosis of the head gasket leak, requesting a refund together with the original sales receipt, the original CPP is shown, and mail to Bars Products Warranty Department. We'll do that. Alright, we have been back around. We've done the whole box. Alright, here we go. So shake it good.